Do you want to demand respect as a man? Do you want to be competent in every realm? If you focus on these 4 skills, you'll go from an average person to a top 1% male. But all you need to do is invest time into these skills every single day. Hey, what's going on? I'm Jax, and on this channel, I'm documenting my experience in the online high ticket sales space, whilst also teaching a few tips and tricks to improve your life performance. So hit subscribe if you're new here. Now, the first skill you need to learn is sales. This is called the MBA skill, the never broke again skill. Sales is the backbone of any business, and people are always going to need people to sell for them. With online sales especially, you can make multiple 5 figures per month. With online sales specifically, I personally know people doing over $50,000 per month. So when you think about it, everything in life is sales. You're selling your girlfriend on staying with you. You're selling your mates to come and train with you. You're selling people to be nice to you. And when you become better at sales, you not only become a better persuader, negotiator, but you also become a better communicator. And once you've learnt sales as a foundation, when you go to start any business, you're already halfway there. You can get money in the door now. And when you think about it, you're literally printing money with your mouth. You're printing money with the words you say. Why would you not want to learn that skill? A skill that no one can ever take away from you. You take all the money in my bank account. That's okay, I've still got my skill set. I can go and make multi 5 figures per month for the rest of my life. Now, the second skill you need to master as a man is fighting. So why fighting? Number 1, you'll get in the best shape of your life. You'll get absolutely shredded abs, and you will lower your body fat percentage, so when you take your shirt off, people will look. And then number 2, you can defend the people you love. You can defend your friends, you can defend your family, you can defend yourself. So if someone's got a point that you don't agree with, you can hold your own and say, hey, I don't agree with that. And if they want to fight, you can fight because you've been training for this. Number 3, of course, people treat you differently when they know you can fight. Other men respect you more. When you enter the room and they know you can fight, they're going to be a bit more calculated. For someone that doesn't want to jump in the ring, although I think every man should jump in sometime into their life, I'll be jumping in around 6 months' time. But if you don't want to jump in the ring, I would recommend doing 3 fight sessions per week. So you need one of the classes that they offer at your gym at least. Obviously, the more the better here. So you can get your partner drills in. And you also need a pad work session like a PT with one of the coaches. So you can have some one-on-one time and really sharpen up your pad work and sharpen up your skills. And then of course, number 3, you need to do at least 1 sparring session per week. The third skill that you need to master as a man is your time management skills. So you need to learn how to say no. If your mates want to catch up, they want to have a few drinks on a Friday night, no, I'm good. If your other mate wants to catch up and go do some mischief, no, I'm good, I don't need that. You need to start saying the no to the things that don't move you forward towards your goal. You got to start saying no to the things that don't move the needle forward. And you need to start saying yes to the things that do move the needle forward. If your friend wants to catch up, go do a gym session in a sauna. Yes, let's do it, brother. You want to catch up, go get a brekkie and go do some deep work. Yes, let's do it. It's moving me towards my goal. I'm going to start saying yes. You've got to ask yourself, how valuable is your time? Can you afford to spend 4 or 5 hours on a Friday, Saturday night drinking with your mates? Or could that 4 or 5 hours be invested in your future? So the biggest life hack with time management is calendar time blocking. If you're not time blocking your life, you don't know where your hours are going, you can't invest it correctly. Like I know from 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. on a Sunday morning, I'm doing content. That's what I'm doing right now. I know exactly what I'm doing after and what I'm doing after that. So I've got, as soon as I wake up, right through till I go to bed, I've got all of that time dedicated to tasks that are moving me towards my goal. So that means when I wake up and I'm not feeling amazing, I don't have to think. I just act, I just do. I don't have to go based off my feeling. I just follow the script. I wrote the script the night before, I just follow the plan. And I just know if I show up to everything on my calendar, I'll be 1 step closer towards my goal. Now, another part of time management is delegating and outsourcing. Like for example, I don't edit my YouTube videos because that would take me an extra 3 to 4 hours per week per video. I could pay someone and outsource that so I can focus on producing the content and I can focus on money-making activities, for example. In my case, that would be sales. This ties back to how valuable your time is. So if you can outsource your cooking, if you can outsource your cleaning, if you can outsource your editing, that's all time you're getting back that you can just deploy towards your goals. Now, number 4, the 4th skill you need to master as a man is your content production. You need to be putting pieces of real estate that are going to pay dividends for the rest of your life on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. Those are the main 4 platforms, but all the other platforms, of course. So with producing content, I know it's hard at first, but you just need to put yourself out there. Like I posted my first reel on Instagram the other day and I was really nervous, but I just posted it and I got a lot of love. Even if I didn't get a lot of love, I know that me posting that is going to move me towards my goal. You just need to put yourself out there and become vulnerable. So why should you do content? Number 1 is networking. You will connect with so many people, Instagram especially, where you can nurture and build those relationships and meet up in person. You can jump on calls with them online, exchange value, and your network through social media is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And that includes networking with business owners, networking with people that you want to build relationships with. And of course, it's your digital presence, it's your digital social proof card, your digital business card for females. Now, the second reason you need to produce content is the financial benefit. And I'm not just talking the AdSense. I'm talking you can build a brand, you can build eyeballs, you can get attention, garner attention, and then funnel that towards a product that you want to do in the future. So whether you want to do a course, you want to do a coaching program, you want to do a mentorship, whatever that is, a physical product, because you've been building these eyeballs up for a couple years now. So when you're ready to funnel that attention, you can funnel it towards a product. And if you've been in sales as well, you're getting the marketing with your content production, and the sales is actually getting them through the door. Marketing brings them through the door, and then sales actually gets them through the door. So if you get these skills right, the world is your oyster. Now, the third reason to produce content is you get access. What do I mean by you get access? You get access to places, people, and events that you previously wouldn't have been able to get access through because you didn't have that social proof, you didn't have that status. I hate to admit it, followers mean a lot. So from your followers and from your social proof, you can get access to events, you can get access to discounts on different products or services, and you can get access to a lot of other things. And sometimes you just give it in exchange for a quick Instagram story. You get access to social groups, parties, events, etc., etc. Really quickly, if you're finding value in this video, shoot me a quick message on Instagram and then I can help you one-on-one. So conclusively, those are the 4 skills that if mastered, let alone just competent in, will absolutely change your life as a man. I know it's changed my life. So if you like this video, the video popping up on screen now will teach you how to learn anything and actually remember it. So you can start to learn these skills and actually apply it in your life. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on that video.